Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed product reviews. Today, we have a game changer for those looking to expand their home network seamlessly, the TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Extender. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get started. The TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Extender is designed to bring both wired and wireless networks to any room in your home using your existing electrical circuit. It's a fantastic solution for extending your network without the hassle of new wires or drilling. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make this extender stand out. It complies with the HomePlug AV2 standard, delivering up to 1000 megabits per second Ethernet over power and a dual-band 1200 megabits per second Wi-Fi network, making it perfect as an Ethernet extender. With just one press of the Wi-Fi button, you can easily copy the network name and password from your router. Any changes you make to the settings will automatically apply to the entire Powerline network. It features a gigabit Ethernet port for secure wired connections to devices like desktops, smart TVs, and game consoles, ensuring reliable high-speed connections. Setting up a secure Powerline network has never been easier. There's no complicated configuration required, just plug, pair, and play. You'll be enjoying fast and seamless connections in no time. It works seamlessly with TP-Link 1 mesh routers to create a unified mesh network, providing uninterrupted streaming as you move around your home. It even includes an integrated power socket, so you won't lose an outlet when using the extender. Here are some usage tips to keep in mind. Powerline adapters must be deployed in sets of 2 or more and connected to the same electrical circuit for connectivity. Direct outlet plug-in is essential, and they do not work with surge protectors. Actual network speed may vary due to factors like Ethernet port capabilities, network cables, environmental conditions, and more. TP-Link, founded in 1996, is a global provider of reliable networking devices. With a proven heritage of stability, performance, and value, TP-Link is dedicated to exceeding the demands of tomorrow. To sum it up, the TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Extender is a game-changer for expanding your home network with ease. Its powerful features and compatibility make it a reliable choice for seamless connectivity throughout your home. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll uncover more amazing gadgets. Until then, stay connected and keep exploring the world of technology. See you soon!